You have my beer koozie? Oh shit, Grant! Oh god! Well, dude, you should have eaten it. We're headed to a tree. We're headed to a tree.
It's not like I put water in there and got in there.
No, we're literally headed to a tree. You got us? I don't need my paddle. Okay, dude, what the fuck? Oh no! Ah! Oh fuck!
Oh, I keep running out of here. We gotta get out of this bitch. You guys. Oh shit! Ow! No! No! Dude, grab us. Give me their oar.
It's mine. It's mine. Damn, you give me the pepper beef jerky. What the?
We might even leave the USA. Cause it's a brand new game I want to play.
Oh my god, I almost fucking knocked my head there.
Sorry.
No use of you running or screaming.
For real, give me a beer.
It's right there, buddy.
Is my koozie there? Oh no, I didn't lose my koozie, did I? Grant, is my koozie in here? Grant. Rambo, chill out. Is my koozie in there? You guys got it. Did I lose it?
Yeah, dude, it's probably in there.
No, it's not. Check in the other one.
It's probably floating in here somewhere.
Oh, it's in my pocket, dude. I got it.
Bitch. Hey, keep the camera straight, Sam.